Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operant Tech Solution. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss: biogas, also known as methane. Biogas is a renewable energy source that's gaining a lot of attention worldwide, and we're lucky to have an expert with us today to break it all down. Stay tuned.
Let's welcome technologist Samuel, a renewable energy specialist with years of experience in biogas technology. Welcome, technologist Samuel.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to talk about biogas and its potential to revolutionize how we think about energy.
Absolutely. So, let's dive right in. For those who might not know, what exactly is biogas, and how is it produced?
Great question. Biogas is a mixture of gases, primarily methane, CH4, and carbon dioxide, CO2, produced through the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. This process is called anaerobic digestion. It happens naturally in environments like landfills, but we can also produce it intentionally in biogas plants using organic waste like agricultural residues, animal manure, food waste, or even sewage.
That's fascinating. So, how does the anaerobic digestion process work?
Sure. The process involves four main stages. 1. Hydrolysis. Organic materials are broken down into simpler molecules. 2. Acidogenesis. These molecules are converted into volatile fatty acids. 3. Acetogenesis. The fatty acids are turned into acetic acid, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. 4. Methanogenesis. Methane-producing microorganisms convert these products into biogas. The result is a gas that's about 50 to 70% methane, which can be used as a fuel.
Wow, that's a lot of science behind it. So, where is biogas being used today?
Biogas has a wide range of applications. The most common use is for cooking and heating in households, especially in rural areas. It can also be used to generate electricity and heat in combined heat and power (CHP) plants. In some cases, biogas is upgraded to biomethane, which is similar to natural gas and can be injected into the gas grid or used as vehicle fuel.
That's incredible. So, it's not just for small-scale use, but also for industrial applications?
Exactly. For example, in agriculture, biogas plants can help farmers manage waste while producing energy for their operations. In cities, wastewater treatment plants often use biogas to power their facilities. It's a versatile energy source that can be scaled up or down depending on the need.
That's amazing. So, what are the advantages of using biogas over traditional energy sources?
There are so many advantages. First, biogas is renewable because it's produced from organic waste, which is constantly being generated. Second, it's environmentally friendly because it reduces greenhouse gas emissions by capturing methane that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere. Third, it helps with waste management by turning waste into a valuable resource. And finally, it's cost-effective in the long run, especially for communities with access to organic waste.
That's a win-win for the environment and the economy. Are there any challenges to adopting biogas technology?
Definitely. One challenge is the initial cost of setting up biogas plants, which can be moderate or higher depending on the size you intend to design. There's also the need for a steady supply of organic waste, which might not be available everywhere. And, of course, public awareness and education are key to encouraging wider adoption.
Those are valid points. So, what's the future of biogas? Do you see it becoming more mainstream?
Absolutely. With the global push toward renewable energy and reducing carbon emissions, biogas is poised to play a bigger role. Governments and organizations are investing in biogas technology, and innovations are making it more efficient and affordable. In the future, we could see biogas being used in everything from powering homes to fueling public transportation.
That's exciting to hear. It sounds like biogas has the potential to make a real difference in the fight against climate change.
Absolutely. It's a sustainable solution that addresses multiple challenges at once: energy production, waste management, and environmental protection.
Well, technologist Samuel, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today. I've learned so much about biogas, and I'm sure our viewers have too. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Alright, viewers, that's it for today's interview. If you're interested in learning more about how you can turn your organic waste into biogas, be sure to check out our other videos and leave your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.